If you're considering Holafly for your international travel eSIM, there are some key things you need to know before making a decision, and by the end of this video, you'll understand if it's really the best choice, or if there's a better alternative. First, Holafly offers unlimited data plans for most destinations, which might sound great, but keep in mind that unlimited doesn't always mean high speed. Many users report slower speeds after a certain usage threshold compared to competitors like Aralo or Ubigi, which have clear speed limits up front. Next, Holafly doesn't support hotspot tethering in most plans. If you're traveling with multiple devices, this can be a major drawback. Competitors like Aralo often include hotspot features, so it's worth considering your needs. The third thing is the cost. Holafly tends to be pricier than its competitors. While the convenience of unlimited data might justify the price for some, others might prefer the flexibility of cheaper, pay-as-you-go options. Here's the fourth. Holafly's eSIM activation is easy, but you need to do it while connected to Wi-Fi. If you forget to set it up before leaving, you might end up stuck without internet when you land. Competitors often let you preload your eSIM before your trip, which is more flexible. Another point is coverage. Holafly supports over 130 countries, which is impressive, but it's not unique. Alternatives like Aralo or Nomad cover a similar range and often have better local partnerships in certain regions for stronger connections. The sixth thing is customer support. Holafly has 24/7 live chat support, which is a plus. However, reviews indicate mixed experiences with slower responses during peak times. Some competitors, like Ubigi, offer app-based support that might be faster for troubleshooting. Now let's talk about compatibility. Holafly supports most newer smartphones, but some models, especially budget or older phones, may not work. Make sure to double-check your device compatibility on their website, as this isn't an issue specific to Holafly, but worth noting for any eSIM provider. Eighth, Holafly's plans are single country or region specific. If you're hopping between countries, their plans can get expensive fast. In contrast, Aralo and others offer regional or global plans at more affordable rates. Ninth, Holafly's unlimited plans don't come with a local phone number. This means you won't be able to receive calls or texts, which might be inconvenient for certain situations, like OTP verifications. Some competitors include an optional phone number for such needs. Another thing is data management. Since Holafly focuses on unlimited plans, you don't get detailed usage stats. Competitors offering limited plans often provide real-time data tracking, which can help manage costs better. The 11th thing is app functionality. Holafly has an app, but it's basic compared to Aralo's, which offers in-app purchasing, activation, and better plan customization. This simplicity might suit some, but power users might find it limiting. Finally, Holafly is designed for simplicity, but this can come at the cost of flexibility. If your trip plans change, you can't pause or extend a plan, unlike some alternatives that allow plan adjustments. Overall, Holafly is a solid option for travelers who value simplicity and unlimited data, but its higher cost and lack of features like hotspot tethering and flexibility might make it less appealing compared to competitors. If you're looking for a better option that's more cost-effective and flexible, check out our recommended solution in the description. It's free to try, so you can see if it works for you.